ARE educates students about Alaska's natural resources. Our activities focus on energy, minerals, and forestry. Our curriculum is aligned with Alaska standards and Common Core.
For the last 35 years, Alaska Resource Education has been doing hands-on activities. Within 3 days, we adapted our lessons to the virtual classroom. And by being able to do this, we were able to fulfill an immediate need.
The pandemic and everything shutting down and everything happening so quickly really challenged us to take the organization in a direction that we had discussed for years, but didn't really know how to do it.
On our website, you will find how-to videos and worksheets for at-home activities. They are geared towards students of all ages and use materials that are easily found around the house.
We want to be a resource for families and educators who are seeking engaging and educational activities to do at home, while providing some sense of normalcy for students.
Our oil sale game, we are going to try and see who can find the most oil.
We've been using Zoom to engage students.
4, 5, 6.
Anyone can attend a scheduled lesson.
29 cc's of oil. Good job, Jackson.
Are we only allowed to use our 10,000 from the beginning, or can we use the money that we earn?
Teachers and groups of students can also request a special lesson at a time that works for them. Requests can be made using our website or Facebook page.
It's been really great to have this opportunity for Kea to involve, interact, and have a lot of fun learning this, especially with not having school and not having the opportunity to teach. She's been able to really engage in something that's gotten her excited.
I think it's fun that we get to create things, and ARE makes it fun to learn instead of boring. And we play games, but they're not just games, we learn from them.
We've taken our popular Rock and Roll Around Alaska teacher course online through Zoom and self-directed activities.
These are the 7 principles of energy literacy.
Our first virtual course involved 25 teachers from across Alaska.
Participating in the Rock and Roll teacher course online was very different than what I had anticipated when we first signed up and thought that we were going to get to do it face to face. But there were huge benefits in that teachers from all over the state were able to participate. And so we had small schools and large schools, and teachers were represented in all grade levels.
The course now teaches educators how to implement our curriculum virtually. The training is certified through UAA as a 500-level course and grants continuing education credit. Upcoming teacher trainings can be found on our website.
I'm excited to use it in the future with my students when we're back face-to-face, but we've already been able to use it virtually and online in this distance learning.
I'm just so proud of the ARE team for their dedication, their hard work during these really challenging times. You guys have been awesome. We wouldn't be where we are without the dedicated staff that we have. So I'm really thankful for the team's hard work.
This has been an awesome learning opportunity for us. As terrible as this situation has been, it's been a great opportunity for us to grow as an organization and head in a direction that will benefit us and teachers and students across the state for years to come.
We wouldn't be where we are without our supporters, and it's only through the support of our donors that we can continue to meet our mission through these challenging times. We're hopeful to be able to provide lessons and continue with the virtual teacher trainings around the state, and the beauty of it is that we have been able to get more participation. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to support the education community during these tough times. Stay safe and healthy, and we hope to see you on a Zoom lesson soon.